Book of Heaven, Volume 2, August 20th, 1899, Effects of Pleasing Jesus Alone. After having spent 2 days of sufferings, my benign Jesus showed himself all affability and sweetness. In my interior, I kept saying how good the Lord is with me, yet I find nothing in me that might please him. And Jesus, answering me, told me,
My beloved, just as you find no other pleasure and contentment than being with me, conversing with me, and pleasing me alone, in such a way that all other things that are not mine are disgusting for you, in the same way, my pleasure and my consolation is to come and be with you and speak with you. You cannot comprehend the power that a soul who has the sole purpose of pleasing me alone has over my heart in drawing me to herself. I feel so bound to her that I am forced to do what she wants.
While Jesus was saying this, I understood that he was speaking in that way because during the past days, while suffering most bitter pains, I kept saying in my interior, My Jesus, everything for love of you. May these pains be as many acts of praise, of honor, of homage that I offer you. May these pains be as many voices that glorify you, and as many attestations that tell you that I love you. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.